What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Red Bank. And what I do here, this is where I document my journey to becoming a consistently profitable forex trader and to be 5 people funded this year. If it's what you're interested in, please leave a like and subscribe. So this is Monday morning. Well, the date is actually 30th of March here, Monday morning. And London session have opened already like an hour ago. And I've seen a setup, but it hasn't reached my PY, the breaker block entry. That's what I want to trade in my 10k now. So if you hit, I'll show you what it looks like in my chart right now. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Um, I was explain how I analyze the chart. So what I noticed that price give us a big structure right here in the 1 hour time frame. They broke the give us a change of character right here. So meaning that price was bullish. So I was able to spot the other block by first drawing it from here. Then I went to the 15-minute time frame. And obviously I reduced it. That is how we have this right here. So then since price is bullish, so what I'm expecting, I'm looking for buys since price is bullish. So what I now realized that as price closed and price didn't give up, price hasn't broken this green line right here. This green line here. I think the price has broken here the 15-minute time frame. We'll just look for the liquidity, then the retracement and buy. That's for an order block continuation entry. So if it hasn't happened, so that's why the green line is still here in case price comes up and break. So since that happened, so I was looking for anything else like a breaker block. So that's when I went to my 3-minute time frame and I spotted this breaker block right here. Look at it. This is the breaker block right here. This is the liquidity, and for here it's another liquidity. Yeah. So this is what I'm expecting. I've already set my alert. This my alert already set it. So I'm expecting price to break here, tap here, right here. Then I'll look for my confirmation and buy since price is bullish. But if it doesn't and instead it breaks here, like I said, I just look for liquidity and adjustment first. Then which way to be taking, react to the other block and on buy. So these are the two things I'm looking for. So I'll update you guys later. What's up, guys? It's just this 12:10 and Mark haven't done anything. So I've just been consolidating, even in the 1 hour 15-minute time frame. Just been one side consolidated since. I'm still waiting for that. That's that Mark have just consolidated. Uh, that's what it's about. First, you have to be patient to wait for the setup to play out. So I'll beat you guys again. Let's just see. Okay. You can see I just took this today is Wednesday. This is another task any opportunity. Asian section you can tap. Just to do some of my 5k. That's right now. Targeting 1 issue 3. Enter from this breakout block because price was bearish. Let's show what it looks like in T5. That's it, guys. This is what it looks like. Look at my wrist. I'll do it, you guys. And yeah, without took, it was a loss. So I'm taking 2 trades this week. And they're all losses. We keep pushing. I'm still looking for entry. So the time like 10:04. I entered this around 6 o'clock. Sure it is that 95. This is what it looks like on the 5k. I want to take on the 10k. Yeah. And so yeah, this is Wednesday, and the only 2 trades I've taken so far, both of them were losses. One my 50, one my 10k. I'm going to take other trades though, but please leave a like and subscribe. That's part of. I'm just happy that all the trades I've taken in my account, so I followed on my plan. That is the main thing, because I know in time once we recover, then I'll pass. I'll become a funded trader. Yeah. Peace out. What's up, guys? And you can see now this 150. I need 10 minutes to New York section open. Yeah, instead of price break, yeah, instead it close as a 1 hour break of structure. So I drew my order block. This is the low, and one price is still bullish, of course. We're going down to my 15-minute time frame. So yeah, I'm waiting for price to break here. Then give me liquidity retest, suit liquidity, then buy. That means this breakout block right here is no more valid. Because if price have to come and tap the breakout block, it will break this 1 hour low. The price will not be bullish and I cannot be buying again. So that's why the breakout block is no more bullish and bearish and valid again. So instead, this is what I'm waiting for, price to break this high, or if price is able to give me a kind of breakout block somewhere which I cannot see that. Maybe like price can form a breakout block for me. I don't know. Maybe like this now. Give me a liquidity here, then break. Then liquidity here. If it form like this will not be a breakout block. That price now have to sweep. This is just up like what I'm looking for anything like this. And I'll buy anything like this. But now what we're always seeing here is if price comes here and break here, then form liquidity, retest, then we'll not buy. That's really what we're looking for. Or the other thing we're looking for is here. If price comes to the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour order block, and give us a change of character that which is now an OB order block continuation entry. Order block reversal entry. That is which we will now buy. Why come here giving us a change of character right? So it's possible that we can see a breakout block around there. I mean my enter instead. So these are the three things I'm looking for. Either the order block continuation, which is price breaking here, or the order block reversal, which is this, or the breakout block, which will be if it form around here. So, okay, I'll update you guys. Yeah. And I'm back in New York session open like 2 hours ago. This is 406. Yeah, and yes, price data change bearish because in the 1 hour time frame we noticed that when price closed, it broke the structure right here. So price was bearish. We draw the other block here, looking for sales. 15-minute time frame, hoping that price was to break here, but it didn't. But then we spot in the 3-minute time frame. We then spotted the breakup. No, it was in the 5-minute time frame. We spotted the breakup block right here. So yeah, product finally tapped the PEI, but won't enter because we're looking for confirmation. We are looking for a bullish, a bearish engulfing or an evening star with body closing on this line. So let's just say if you see it, then we'll enter. But if you don't see it, we won't enter. And also got this 455. And yeah, you can see that price didn't give us any confirmation. That's why we didn't take the sell. So this is not valid and this is not valid. Yeah, so even this, but price is bearish. Price is bearish. So the only thing I can see now here, if price give us this change of character, you understand? If it doesn't, we're done for today. No trade this Monday. Where I can find a breakout block on OBRNC. But if price break here, right here, price break this 1 hour lower high, I'll be out of the market. Yeah. It is stressful, but that's it is. Need the patience. Okay, what's up guys? This is Tuesday now, 31st March. That's the last day of March. Yeah. And yeah, that new session no let us our entry, so we didn't take entry yesterday. So I just currently took this buy on gold yesterday. I entered for the breakout block entry on the 5-minute time frame. I'll first explain. 1 hour time frame, I spotted this break of structure, meaning that price was bullish at that point. So I went to the 5 minutes time frame and I spotted this breakup block right here. This breakup right here. Once the price broke it and gave us liquidity on this one. Yeah. So and I entered in 3 minute time frame because I saw it bullish engulfing. Which is just yeah. This is the bullish engulfing. Yeah. Targeting a 1/3. So yeah, rain is full. I'm sure it looks like on MT5. Looks like update you guys. This trade is very close to my stop loss, very close. I think this is going to hit my stop loss. Look, this is what I am. Yeah, very close. Here we come back safely, be a miracle. And what's up, guys? This is currently 10:19. Yeah, Tuesday. Later took that trade breakout block on an Asian session, and it was a loss. Took in my 10k. I'll show you what it look like, but I'm looking for something now in my to take in my 5k. Another breakout block entry or long. That's what I'm waiting for. I'll show you what to look like in the chart. So as you can see, this is the loss I took, and 10k breakout block entry, yeah, on the 5 minute time frame. Let me just check on the 5 minute time frame. I'll show you what it looks like. I entered it. Although see an A plus setup. Sorry about this. Anyhow, this is it. It's lost. You didn't go in profit. I entered with a bullish engulfing in 3 minutes time frame. That's it. This bullish engulfing right here. You can see it. This small red candle. Then this huge big candle as I entered. Yeah. So what I'm actually waiting for now is this. I'm price been consolidating. Even yesterday London session price consolidating. For this to enter here. This bullish engulfing. Take it by 1/3. That I'm waiting. And I'll show you what it looks like on my MT5. So in my MT5, this is what it looks like. Sorry about that. Yeah, this is it. This is it. Thank you. Yeah. So I want to take trade in my 5k, so I'll switch to my 5k. Yeah. So if I see this, I'll take to my 5k. I'll do it to you guys.